G in the house up next.
Oh yeah? Triple G here?
A countryman, a fellow Kazakhstani, and he calls himself Triple G K1.
Okay.
Love it.
Triple G K1.
好，接下来是昆仑决的场地
Put on
战
my dark movie voice and
，75
go
公斤
Triple
级的
G
自由
K1.
搏击之战
Hailing from
昆仑 Fight
Kazakhstan.
Super
A
Fight
Triple G
3 rounds
for
kickboxing
kickboxing.
men's 75 kilos。蓝方选手非常的可怕，他的绰号吸血魔人，来自哈萨克斯坦。In the blue corner from Kazakhstan, introducing Mergen Bilялов.
And here he comes, the Kazakhstani K1 Triple G, Mergen Bilялov. 26 years of age, 182 centimeters tall, weighed in yesterday at 75 kilograms, 29 wins, 4 losses, 18 wins, John Nutt, coming via knockout.
So he's got some hands, Kev.
You said it. 1-0 on the Kunlun stage. Big victory back at Kunlun 72 in Beijing. Via knockout over Zhang Yang. Chinese fighter KO'd him in the second round with a big left hook. Kazakhstani K1 champion, Waco world champion, Triple G K1 Mergen Bilялov.
And
here comes his opponent fighting out of the red corner, Huang, who again 25 years of age, 182 in the CMs, 76 in the KG, and of course 14 wins, 2 losses, 5 KOs. That's the official record here at Kowloon, 1 win, 1 KO. The DJ at Kowloon always brings me back to my 80s heyday. Love it, brother. Monsters of Iraq always get me going.
John, any discrepancies in that tail of the tape that should stand out for you?
Well, again, there is a little bit more experience from our Triple G K1. But to tell you the truth, again, in Kowloon, we're even Steven, brother. 1 win, 1 KO for both of these guys.
非常非常的厉害，挖口的世界冠军，哈萨克斯坦国家队的队长。他最厉害的地方就是看起来极其的斯文，但是出手非常的凶猛。曾经在上一场比赛中，真的是迅雷不及掩耳，将我们的张扬击倒在地。有人称他是吸血的魔人。让我们欢迎蓝方选手，来自哈萨克斯坦的 Mergen。Klubrushtaga Kazakh Mergen Bilялов的 Harsames。红方选手25岁的黄凯，身高1.82米，职业战绩14胜2负，5次 KO 对手，全国散打冠军赛的季军 ，IBF 职业拳击北京赛区轻重量级的冠军。欢迎红方选手，来自中国的黄凯。
Both fighters coming off big knockout victories. Let's see if he can carry that confidence into this contest.
Fighting Kунlun Fight. No elbow, no clinching. All the time protect yourself and listen to me. Shake hand, good luck. Back.
Referee in charge of the action, Cezanne. Fantastic referee in charge, again. Done so much for the sport here in China and Thailand. Throughout Southeast Asia as they touch gloves. Round 1. Your man from Kazakhstan in the blue. Your man from China in the red.
Very long-winded stance from the Kazakhstani fighter. Almost doing the split, so he's got such a wide stance here.
Well, it's almost karate-esque. It's almost Grashenko or again, almost wushu-ish. Taekwondo also.
Sure.
Come on, any of those different martial arts we can name out, you know.
And and then his opponent contrasts, so flat-footed. Oh wow, power behind that punch from the K1 Triple G.
Again, he's got Waco experience, so you know, although he does have the kickboxing background, I mean, he's looking a little bit more Till Wonder Boy, if you will, for our American and British fans. The wide stance, backwards, forwards. Look at how his shoulders are. They're not placed square. He's still rounded. Ooh, great
John,
kick.
there's venom in everything he possesses.
Yeah.
Hashtag phrasing.
Hey-yo. Big shout out to our sponsor, Venom Gloves. Hey-yo.
Kai has...
Again, you can feel that kick. His opponent feels it because he's lowering his stance. He's changing up his stance.
All the way in Beijing, the power behind this 26-year-old Kazakhstani fighter,
who's being patient.
Bilялов. He is.
He's being very patient.
Sure. Very much so.
I feel like he's hit him with some things and he's had some openings and he hasn't swarmed it. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed he is. I would still say that one of those kicks has affected Huang Kai enough that he has changed his stance.
He's affecting me with these precision strikes.
Yeah, accuracy is something that Triple GK1 definitely knows about. Hilarious, Triple GK1.
It's fantastic. I think someone came up with that name for him.
Of course.
I don't think a fellow Kazakhstani would have the audacity to call themselves Triple G.
Well, as an American, Kazakhstani people all look alike. Ooh. Joke in poor taste, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
Kazakhstan MMA is on the rise.
Really?
Yeah, man. They've just got some absolute little beasts out of there. Got a heck of an amateur team with IMAF. And again, they've got some absolute crushers. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, all of the stands.
Johnny Stan.
Oh, Johnny Stan is the man.
I love that country. It's hard to get to, though.
Oh, some good counter punches. He got the nose. There's blood coming from it. Great sportsmanship.
Yeah, good respect at the end of that round. Wow.
Go for it, brother. End of round comes up, and I'm just saying, a man from Kazakhstan, Triple GK1, is actually proving to be something to watch. He's very, very entertaining in his style, and every one of his hits is landing probably exactly where it should, with ferocity. And I'm telling you, Huang Kai came out in one stance, and he got that leg kick across the abdomen, and he changed stances. Fortune teller ring girls, KLF, letting us know the future. Is she? What's in your golden ball? Let me rub it. Let me rub the ball. What does it say? Oh, it says round 2 is coming up.
Taken out.
Again, Kazakhstan, Triple GK1, Mergen in the blue corner with much more of that Kyoshenko.
Yeah, it's very much, very much so.
Stance, and again, Huang Kai, China's own, in the red, who's keeping it loose as a goose. I'm not saying that he's getting stiff, but he's not in his world as the kick goes up high. Yeah, see, again, you can wave your hands open and say that didn't hurt at all, and it did land on the gloves. But man, when it was with that type of tenacity.
Yes, sir, and that's going to affect your punching power. That's going to affect, it's numbing your hands, it's numbing your arms, everything. This guy is a pretty impressive fighter.
Oh yeah, I like Triple GK1 right now, especially because when he's also countering, did you hear? I know, it's like a crack, it's like thunder. Is Triple GK1 Thor, or is Thor Triple GK1? I don't know.
Bit of both.
I'm not an Avenger, but I can see that man. So what I was going to say is, when Huang Kai gets in too close, so the legs aren't there for the range, Triple GK1 is going immediately to an uppercut. It's amazing.
He's got good vision, good timing. He's got a an arsenal of weaponry. We're all very impressed by that.
There it is, like I said.
That looping under uppercut.
Yeah, beautiful. Opponent gets it too far in there for the legs, and
and he's chopping those legs of his opponent now. He's just going to town, but you know what I'm so impressed about? His coolness. And the fact that he's just waiting.
Yep.
He doesn't get cocky, he doesn't get nonchalant towards it, and he's just picking his shots step by step. You got to remember too, John, he gave his opponent a 1 kilo weight advantage.
Oh, yeah.
75 kilos against 76.
And that was losing weight, so hey-o. Not... Oh, he kicks him again.
Yeah, no, the referee's right. They were not. No, I have to agree with that. Good call by the referee. Yeah. Protect yourself at all times.
Got it, bro. Oh, he's hurt, man. His legs are diced up.
35 seconds to go in round 2.
Looked for a very long, lengthy punch there. Although it connected, I don't think it had much on it. A lot of fun here as they grind up against each other. Look for the dirty boxing to come into play. Neither of them going for that clinch. Good teep there. Followed up by a nice kick from the blue corner.
Mergen, hey, go only 1-1-1.
Very impressive in both round 1 and round 2. And one of the fun moments of that second round was definitely looked like the Chinese opponent was saying that he had a low blow. The referee said no low blow, and he just started getting lumberjacked, kicked down.
Yeah, it's hard not to be impressed by the performance being put on here by Kazakhstani fighter Mergen Bilялов.
Take it out.
There were moments there for Huang in the second round,
Oh, yes.
but it's so
He's
difficult.
not out of the game. He's not out of the game.
Not out of the game at all, but
Round 3, final round. Macau, Kунlун Faight. Kevin Noon, John Nutt on the English commentary. Cezanne, the man, the myth, the legend, in charge of the action, and we got Triple GK1. Such a good and perfect nickname for this man from Kazakhstan in the blue. Huang Kai, again, not out of the game, but he needs to implement more of his game plan. Goes in there yelling, but his strikes aren't landing where Triple GK1's are. You can hear everybody here yelling 1-2 kick, 1-2 kick.
yeah.
I'm not sure if they're, ooh, spinning stuff. Doesn't really land.
He's busy, he's staying in there, he's got that self-belief, the Chinese
Huang Kai,
fighter.
yes, for sure. With every grunt he makes, I mean, that's Maria Sharapova type of grunting in there, but every grunt that he makes, he's trying to hit a home run. Grand slam it.
1-2, come on, 1-2.
You gotta admire the tenacity and steel of the Chinese fighter. He's been broken here, but he's refusing to submit.
Oh, for sure.
And not only refusing, but fighting fire with fire on occasion.
And trying to actually move forward, just moving forward. That's the game plan right now in his eyes. I need to move him forward in front of the judges. I need to move in front of the refs. Before, he was working a little lateral movement for his counter punches. Now he's just stepping forward. Again, going to the bread basket, warming up the ribs, and there's that uppercut again. Triple G, K1.
Yeah, he's definitely, people will be Googling him tonight at the end of this show, no question about that.
Very good style, very close. See there, he's just landing 2. And the jawline of Huikain is made of titanium, so he just won't go down. He's absolute Terminator in there.
He's been tested on so many occasions in this contest. final minute of the round, final minute of the contest. And then, John, this is the big one is coming. The one we've all been waiting for, Superbon versus Azuev. But for a penultimate encounter, for a prelude to the main event.
This is fantastic action right here. Macao couldn't be any happier. And again, these little blasts, he's got such precision with his hands that they can be engaging like that, and then he comes back and does that. Hey, let me back away from you and then pummel you with a right to the body and a left to the head.
And then just, you gotta admire, though, I keep saying it, the heart of the Chinese fighter.
He's wearing it on his sleeve. He's wearing it on his forehead. He's wearing it definitely on his jaw.
Gonna feel it tomorrow.
And he goes hands up. And we come to the end of round 3. End of the final round, and we will go to the judges' scorecards again. Once again, for your official announcement, we'll hand it over to the host with the most. Now, our Chinese fighter, Huang Kai, is up on the apron, hands up, whereas Triple G staying calm and collected. I wonder if that's because he feels, you know, we are in Macau. He doesn't know how it's going to go in the judges' eyes. Remember, you just don't want it. You don't want it to go to the judges' scorecards, ladies and gentlemen.
You never know. Stranger things have happened.
本场比赛结果，2号裁判 Judge Number 2 29比29 29-29。1号裁判 Judge Number 1 28比30 28-30。3号裁判 Judge Number 3 29比30 29-30。And a winner， 比赛结果。蓝方 shot the blue corner.
Wow, there it is. So Triple G K1 does come out the victor. 29-29 in the first. I didn't see it that way. 28-30, 29-30. For your winner again, Triple G K1 Mergen. Bilялov. I again think he was one of the most entertaining fighters of the night, just when it comes to pure style and what he was doing in terms of his kicks were making this clap. Just this absolute 2x4 on 2x4 kind of clap. The side stance, and again, the flurry of fists. Very impressive.
祝贺获胜的选手，你打得非常的漂亮。这个梅尔根把这个西方人发明的这个技术发挥得非常的到位，但是我们的黄凯今天表现非常的棒，所以希望各位不要练习，把掌声同时送给2位优秀的战士。